This is one of the questions that comes under the topic work and time. So the question is, if P can complete a work in 12 days working 8 hours a day and Q can complete the same work in 8 days working 10 hours a day, if P and Q work together working 8 hours a day, in how many days they can complete the work? So they have given P can work in 12 days working 8 hours a day. That means the total hours P work is 12 into 8, which will be 96 hours. So P can complete 1 by 96th part of work in 1 hour. For Q, they have given 8 days and the working hours of Q is 10 hours. The total hours will be 8 into 10, which is equal to 80 hours. In 1 hour, it can complete 1 by 80 part of the work. So they have asked if both work together, that means P plus Q, which is equal to 1 by 96 plus 1 by 80, which is equal to 11 by 480. This is the part of work that P plus Q can complete in 1 hour. The working hours will be 480 by 11. This is the total working hours. Here they have given the condition, in 1 day they can work for 8 hours. So for completing 480 by 11 hours work, how many days will be taking? We all know that x by 480 by 11 will be equal to 1 by 8. So x is equal to 1 by 8 into 480 by 11, which is equal to 60 by 11 days both will take to complete the work.